Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Digital Learning Today. My name is Jeff Bradbury, your digital learning coach and ISTE certified educator. In today's episode, we're going to be taking a dive into our brand new instructional coaching data dashboard and command center, our brand new Notion template, and we're going to be sharing how you can keep track of all of your tasks and projects that creep up on you each and every day. So let's jump right in to our Notion template. Here we are in our Instructional Coaches data dashboard and command center. I want to keep track of all of the tasks that I've been assigned by my teachers, my administrators, and my coaching team. I'm going to scroll down to the middle and I see all of my tasks and to-dos. This is completely customizable, and I would encourage you guys, as you get to know your template, start to create customized views of all of these different sections. I'm going to show you guys how in later videos in this series. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on the blue button that says New to create a brand new task. And that's going to slide out this template for our tasks. You'll notice that we already have our green checkbox, we already have our background, and we have some task details. I'm going to add a task today. Create a PD for Canva for my elementary school building. Now, what type of a task is this? District, building, elementary? Well, it's an elementary task. It's also a PD task. Now, what are some of the digital resources that I have? I can always add more, or I can use from what's here. I do have a current Canva training slide deck. I'm going to click on that. And also, I'm going to click on Canva Quick Links Guide. So now I've got two resources that I need for this task. Again, you can see how this is helping keep me organized. When's the due date? Well, I need this due by the 26th. What's the project? Well, coaching cycles, curriculum, district leader. Well, I am part of the leadership committee. This is what this is for, but I've also got professional development. So I'm going to add it to that as well. And again, it'll show up on both of those separate dashboards to keep everything where you need it to be. What's the school building I'm doing this task for? Bradbury Elementary. And who is this for? This is going to be at Mr. Elementary principal right here. What's the status? Have I started it? Is it in progress or done? We're going to say it's in progress. And of course, I don't have any vendors for this yet. Now, if I have any details about this project, I can list this here. Now, let's click into our Bradbury Elementary School and we'll see where that task also is going to live. You'll notice here I am in my elementary school dashboard, and here is that building task right here. I can click on it, I can open it up, and I can edit it if I want. I can also say that I'm done. If I do go into my principal, because I'm meeting with my principal, I now also have that this is a task here that I have to complete for my principal. Now, there's one more spot where all of these tasks are going to live. And under Jump to Database, we can click here under Project Management, and here is our task database. This is going to be a list of all of the tasks that we've created, whether they be for one building, a district, or any type of project. All of our instructional tasks are right here. And of course, if we want to, we can always add new ones to here, and they'll show up all across our system. So you can see just how easy it is to create tasks in our instructional coaching data dashboard and command center to keep everything that you need to do all in one place. Now, if you haven't had a chance to, check out all the videos in this series by clicking on the links below. I'm sure you're going to find this is the perfect system that you need for your instructional coaching program. And if it isn't, everything on here is completely customizable. You can change the icons, the backgrounds, the templates, anything that you need is certainly able to be customized once you pick up your template today. So head on over to teachercast.net/store, check it out, and download your copy of the Instructional Coaches Data Dashboard and Command Center today. That wraps up this video. On behalf of everybody here, my name is Jeff Bradbury, your digital learning coach and ISTE certified educator. Keep up the great work in your classrooms and continue sharing your passions with your students.
You've been listening to the TeacherCast Educational Network, hosted by Jeff Bradbury. Please reach out to the show with all of your questions on Twitter @TeacherCast or online at www.teachercast.net. Be sure to subscribe to our podcast so you don't miss any future episodes. And please take a moment to write a review in the App Store.